When your heat quits in the dead of winter or your AC fails in extreme summer heat, you don't have time to wait. That's when you call ACR Heating and Cooling. Fast response, trusted repairs, reliable replacements that restore comfort quickly. They're licensed, insured, and veteran-owned. Proudly serving homes, businesses, and new construction projects since 1985. From AC and furnace repair to heat pumps, full installations, and HVAC inspections, they do it right the first time. ACR Heating and Cooling. Dependable comfort when it matters most.